How to use ROUNDDOWN function in Excel. So for example, we have number here. So let's type in a column, select this function. Yes. So let's select cell and click on function and select number ROUNDDOWN. You can also change number. Let me show you. For example, this value here. Okay, so you can see function working. Okay, let's make some modification. Like how many numbers after dot you will see. So here you can see, let's type 1 digit here. Hit enter. So we can see 1 digit after dot. So we can change that number like 2 here, and now we can see 2 digits after dot. And this is how it works, like guys. So you can change numbers and everything should works. So like this, yeah. Okay guys, hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe.